I'm going to be creating a virtual machine or a VPS, and I'm going to show you how to SSH into the machine and get remote access to it via the GUI using the remote desktop application. So first you want to go into your virtual machines right now, 3, one just with Ubuntu, one with Windows 11 and one with Kali Linux. So you're going to want to create a virtual machine. I'm on a student account, so everything is free for me, but it might be different for you. I'm going to choose something that's close to me, so UK, we give it a name, VM test, and then we can choose the ISO. We'll use Ubuntu Linux for now. We'll keep it as the 64, and we'll use a username and password. I'll just make the username my name. The password I already have one saved, so I'll just use that one. Alright, it's gonna be using SSH, that's fine. And this size, just keep this all standard. That's standard. Standard. That's fine. Identity. That's fine. I'm just doing it quickly since this is the simple part. Tags are not needed. That's not needed. That's fine. Tags are not needed. So this review is going to take a few seconds. Right now it's not more secure since you have open ports to the SSH. But if you're gonna use it like for not testing crap, then don't do this way. Right now it's past validation, so just press create. Then now it's deploying, and we should be in the machine once all the checks are done. So we'll just wait for that to finish. Last test, and we should be fine. I'm gonna also show you how to set up a file share, but that's for another video. It's gonna be the next video. So this is done now. Everything's online. Go back to the home, go back to the VM test, and everything's there. It's not fully ready yet. The machine started, so now we're gonna want to SSH into the machine. So we'll go into connect, and I'm gonna do RDP later. But first, I'm gonna need to get into the machine. So that's standard. We'll go here, copy this. This is a very private one I'm gonna do. It's gonna be risky, so don't use it if you're not testing, and don't give anyone a password. So this is the password you entered before. Then now you're in the virtual machine. You can clear it, ls cd. There's nothing really here, so you can make a directory, test, and ls, everything's there. You can do host name. You can see the name of the host machine which we just created. There, we access that now. Now I'm going to show you how to RDP into the machine. So we'll click here. It's quite simple. But we are going to have to do a few commands to make sure that the Linux machine can RDP into the current Windows machine you're on. If you have a Windows virtual machine, you don't really need to do much. You just need to download the RDP file and it'll be fine. So I'm going to try to do that. Just click this and it should show you everything that you need to do. So first, we already done that. Now we'll just need to update. If you right click, it automatically pastes the command. This should take a few seconds. Then we'll download this. Once that's finished downloading, and then you can do that. if you want me to show you a video on how to get Apache sorted, I'll also do that next video. But for now, let's get the RDP protocols also, so we can actually get remote access to the VPS. Alright, that command finished. So we'll do the next command. That command took a while to install. So we can install the sessions. That's done. You can install RDP. This should be fine. Should be quick. Get that ready. Get the next one ready. Things all done. Get this ready. And this is just going to restart the service of the RDP client. Once that's done, you might not need this, but we'll check just in case it might not work. So first, we'll go back into the Azure website. We'll go to networking, add inbound ports. I think I need to check where it was again. It was 3389. We need to make sure that we can get inbound and outbounds. So it's 3389, and this is for RDP. We don't need to change the name. Let me just do now. 3389. It was. I think. Yeah, it was. And then once you've done that, we can go back here. I don't want to risk it, so I am going to set the username and password. So if you do that, paste that in, and then change the Azure username to the username set, which is over here. This is the name and this is the group. So we'll do that and we'll set a new password. You can make it whatever you want, just make sure you remember it. You can retype it. And I wrote it wrong. Try that again. And then once that's done, it should work. We can restart this service again. And once that's done, we should be able to connect to it. So to connect to it, we need to go back to the main panel and copy the IP. Or if you want to be faster, you just download that and then open your file explorer, go to your downloads, and then find that. And then when you do it, don't ask me again, connect, and then you'll get more of these. This is where you need to make sure that you're using certified keys and making sure that you're being secure. But this is a quick test on how to quickly do it, so we'll just do that for now. I'll drag this over here, and now you get this. Now the username is the name of the machine, and the password is the one that you set just a moment ago, the one that I wrote incorrect. So I'll write the password, and you should get a black screen when everything is logged in. Now you're in the machine. There. They can open the terminal and do stuff. LS again, you can see all this stuff, and this is the directory we created at the start test. But since you never have a GUI set up, it was just test. So now if you do go back into here, into LS, now you have all the GUI stuff. Yeah, so that's how to SSH into a VPS and get remote access to it. You can save this to their desktop and do whatever you want with it. And there you can browse Windows networks, and you can copy stuff from your system to this system. Thanks for watching. Bye.